Have you heard about the 5 keys of business success called Growing and Launching Your Business? It's an online training program, and you can check it out at oursuccessgroup.com/5 keys. While there, you can purchase the valuable online training modules and resources. It's over 5 hours of small bite-sized video training sessions broke out into 25 modules. Plus, there are 26 specific action steps designed to cement the training and get you into action on building the right foundation. You also get tools you need beyond the 5 hours of proven training, like spreadsheets, example forms that you can use and make your own, plus policy and marketing templates and more. The 5 Keys of Business Success is designed to help you learn to price your products for profit, enjoy confidence in your marketing, have an efficient workflow and process, wow your customers with amazing service, and know exactly what it costs to be in business each day. Skip the alternative of feeling lost and overwhelmed, and stop losing money or not even knowing where you're at until it's too late. Invest in the 5 Keys online training program today to get the foundation you deserve for your small business. Go to oursuccessgroup.com/5 keys and save $300 until August 31st, 2021. One more time, oursuccessgroup.com/5 keys.